my name is Morgan Marks, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich to perfection. Before we get into actually making the grilled cheese sandwich, you want to make sure you wash your hands before, because you're going to be handling food and you want to make sure your hands are sanitary. Making a grilled cheese sandwich is very easy. All you need are 3 simple ingredients, which are bread, butter, and cheese. Next, you want to turn your burner on to medium. You don't want to turn it on to high because you don't want the bread to burn before the cheese melts. The next thing you want to do is butter your bread. Now, when applying the butter onto your bread, you want to make sure it covers the whole slice. When you're ready to grill your sandwich, you want to make sure you put the first slice of bread into the pan, butter side down. Next, it's time to put the cheese onto your first slice of bread into the pan. Depending on how cheesy you want it, depends on your personal preference. Once your cheese is on the first slice, it is now time to put on the second slice of bread on top of the cheese, butter side up. Let that simmer for a minute or two, and then take a spatula and check the bottom of the sandwich, and if it's golden brown, flip it over. Next, just repeat the process of simmering, and once you see that both of the sides of the sandwich are golden brown and the cheese is melted, your sandwich is finished. Making your sandwich, always make sure to remember to take the pan off of the burner and turn the burner off. Finally, before eating, make sure you put all your ingredients away back where you found them. Making a grilled cheese sandwich is super quick and easy to make. I hope you learned something from this video, and now it's time to eat.